Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today I'm going to show a clean out, an organization of my bathroom. Now I'm going to say up front that it's not real good. It sounds weird, but I went back and watched it. I'm going to put it up, but it's not real good compared to other organization videos I've seen. Let me explain what I'm doing. We've been in this house, we moved in this house the year 2000. We started working on it, renovating it. It's a very, very old house. It was built in 1886. So we got to where we could renovating it and we moved in the year 2000. So we've lived here for 20 years. The renovations are not complete yet. We got kind of at a stopping point that we hope to get back to someday. But it's been 20 years and I realized that I needed to do an organization clean out of the whole house. We don't have a lot of closet space. There's 2 bedrooms that have a closet. Our bedroom does not have a closet. There's one in the little hallway outside my bathroom where I put towels. Before we moved in, we built a closet on the back of the house, it's kind of hard to explain, but we built on to the house a little bit and added a closet, but that's it. We have no closet space. We do have an attic that we can store things in, but it's just a little difficult and we have to keep things down. And I thought that I had actually kept things at a minimum and really kept things organized until I started digging, and I was shocked. I was shocked what I found in drawers. I found things from our childhood, from my kids' childhood, wires, things that were stuck in the back, things that we had saved. We don't even know what they are. And just even getting started on this bathroom. And this is a tiny little bathroom because it was added later because it wasn't original to the house because they didn't have indoor plumbing. So it was an eye-opener just even doing this. So it's going to be a big project. It may last me the whole year. I may film some of it. I may not film some of it. But I thought I would do a try on filming it with doing just my little bathroom. It was a bit of a disaster. It was way too long. I was way too indecisive. So I cut out a whole lot, and some of it I just do show the before, I show the after. There's one section where I'll show you sitting on my bathroom floor going through my hair stuff, so I did keep that in. So the rest of it I kind of explained what I was wanting to do and then just showed me what it looked like afterwards. So keep that in mind. I hope you enjoy this on some level. Like I said, it's not my best, but I'll put it up anyway. And so I appreciate you watching and indulging me. Okay, so in front of me is my bathroom, and it is a very small bathroom carved out of just part of the bedroom because, you know, when this house was built, they had an outhouse out back. They didn't have bathroom inside. So that is what we have to work with. And so I will turn you around and show you, you know, what it looks like and how I need to organize it. Okay, there's the toilet and the tub. That's pretty much all there is to it. Toilet, tub, and then we took a piece of furniture and we created a place for me, drawers, and a little thing underneath with the sink. I usually take baths, so I have a bath caddy there, which I need to organize. So I have storage right there. I have storage down here. This is what we're going to organize today. And as you can see, this is a mess. So I'll try to get to it. And we have storage down there. So we don't have a whole lot of space to work with here. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started on this area down here. Okay, this is what it looks like all cleaned out and wiped out. And it was dirty in the bottom. And you know, I have a break in the middle thing there where all the piping and stuff has to go. It has to close on the sink there, so they had to build a little box in the middle of it. So that's what I have to work with and put all the stuff that I have in the bedroom in there. Okay, here it is. You know, it's a tight squeeze with the little plastic things, but they're plastic so they can kind of be squished together. So there's that. Now, we're going to go underneath and work on this. We got things in there. We got things in here. And we got lots of things in here. So I'm gonna go through and redo them. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom on my floor and I cleaned all this out. There's 2 drawers and a little door that opens with 2 shelves on it. But I cleaned it all out and I had forgotten to turn on the camera. So anyway, I got it all cleaned out and got stuff in there. So in this drawer I've got like, self-tanners and toothbrushes and an extra mirror and let's see what else. Some extra sunscreen and some razors, and some extra razor blades, so things like that in there. And in this top shelf, I have my electric toothbrush, my Sonic Care sitting out, but sometimes I will use an Oral-B, so I have it in there too with a little case, and that's all that I have. In the bottom drawer, I always have my blow dryer sitting here on top of, I explained it all. I have 2 baskets up here that I'm wanting to tidy up. Man, I didn't realize what a pack rat I was. So I have my blow dryer up there, so I put my blow dryer down here along with the diffuser, and I've got my flat iron there too. Okay, so now I'm going to see what I can do with my hair stuff. I have this thing that a lot of times I will carry it downstairs, and I have a mirror down there, and while I'm watching TV, I will either flat iron my hair or curl it with a curling iron and stick it up in little, Velcro rollers. So I have my products and I have for that. So this is not going to fit there. I have a shelf back here with stuff on it that I think, need to go through, that I think it could fit right here actually. So let me see if it can. No, it cannot. So let me see if, okay, it will go. I've got shelf opens right there and I think it will fit in right there. Yes, it will. Okay. But it won't fit in with my curling iron. So I've got 2 curling irons that I use the most, and 2 sets of rollers that after I take my curls out of my curling iron, I put rollers in. So this is the smaller one. It's a 1 1/4 inch by Babyliss. So I'm going to put it down here with the flat iron. I'm going to have 3 curling irons and a blow dryer here in the bottom drawer. So I'm going to have my that one and then the 2-inch curling iron from Hot Tools, I think. But you can get one just like it at Sally's. So it's just the 2-inch. So I'm going to put that in there too. Will it fit? I think I'm going to have to take my blow dryer out, and that is only going to be curling irons down here and my diffuser. So we're going to see where I'm going to put it. Okay, got that down there. 3 curling irons, and 2 curling irons and a flat iron. Okay. So these are the rollers I put in when I use my great big curling iron. So I'd like to keep those together. And then these are the ones I put in when when I use the smaller one, when I want my hair curlier. I use these the most. I've got all kinds of little clips down here that I can put back where they belong. Okay. So what I would like to do is, let's see, keep my brushes all together. Oh, this goes, I don't know what that's for. I got another curling iron, and this keeps it like when you're traveling if it's still hot. Oh, I need to find that. Let me put that up here. I've got 2 things of the bamboo fiberful. I like 2 hairsprays. One of them is the bamboo fiberful by AGX, and the other one is the Kenra. Okay. So here I do. I have, oh, my floor is dirty. I've tracked dirt in here, everything. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. I'm going to have to sweep it and mop it when I get through with here. Okay. Please ignore that. So here's the big rollers and here's the small rollers. I don't really use hot rollers anymore, but I hate to not have them. They're in my bedroom. Got an extra comb. I've got a Tangle Tease. Y'all, you just won't believe the brushes that I have. I'm telling you, I get obsessed with hair stuff, so table teas up here. All right, I know. That's about empty. That probably, the Living Proof Perfect, that is a good dry shampoo, but you know, it's about empty. It's taking up space, I'm getting rid of it. Okay, so here I've got my rollers. Oh, I like these little things. Let me put them up here. There we go. And that needs to go in my purse. It's a little Tresemme thing, purse size. I like to use this on my roots a lot of times. It's the Aveda Volumizing Tonic. Just a bunch of things. And I'm always burning myself, so I do like to keep these little gloves handy to keep me from burning myself. So, okay. And I've got another macadamia natural oil comb. That's really nice. I like to use it a lot for a comb. And another of the great big Velcro rollers. All right. And right now I'm using the Nutra-Ox treatment for thinning hair. I go back and forth between the Nutra-Ox and the Nioxin. So right now I'm using it. And then on my ends I will put a little argan oil. So I like to keep that. So those are my products that I use. All right. Got an extra little clip here. I use these little clips for my rollers. And I just have one set of the little clips. I keep them on the little rollers. But I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them on this, line them up so I'll have them every time. Won't have to ton them no matter what rollers I use. And then put the rollers down in here on each side. One side for the big, one side for the small. That's good. That's good thinking. I tell you what now. I'm thinking. All right. Down in there. And I got this from Ulta, this little, and it's got hair in it. I got this little thing from Ulta, and I really like it. Happy Healthy Hair starts at Ulta. I've actually got two of them because I've got another one in there with lots of other hair stuff in it that I need to go through and get rid of. Okay, so I've got the bigger rollers on one side, the smaller rollers on the other side. Alrighty. Got my Nutra-Ox. I'll put it in my little side panel. I've got a little teasing comb right here that if I need it. And then I've got a bigger comb, you know, to pick things out. All right. And my argan oil. I don't think I need a hairspray in this. I'll put my hairsprays all together. Alrighty. There's another little purse size of those. So I'll put that over here. Alright. Well, this is empty. I don't know why I started with that. Throw that away. Okay. Another one of these. So this is pretty organized. Oh, let me put my Aveda Volumizing Tonic in a little side pocket. So really, I mean, it's pretty empty right in here. And Doug cleans out his breathing machine in the morning, so he has to have this little thing up there. Alrighty, so, and I really like this hairbrush a lot too. Well, I like all my hairbrushes. I use different hairbrushes, so I kind of want my hairbrushes up here in a basket, but I will go through them. This is a good hairbrush. It's one of those from like Victorian times. It's real old. I've got it taped. Doug's glued it, everything. It's about had it, but I really like it. It really gets my hair out nice and straight and smooth. Okay. So let me go through some of these brushes too. And I think I can put this in here. And my most popular brushes. My brushes that I will use the most. That way if I want to go downstairs and do my curling iron stuff in the morning, I can just grab this, grab my curling iron and go. Okay, so I like to use this brush, my macadamia, this, and I like this brush real well. This one is it's the Olivia Garden. So those brushes, this comb, and a pick, a wide pick. So these are the things that I use the most. I don't think I need I've got extra things like a round brush, things like that I don't want to get rid of. But, okay, let's see how we can organize this. All right, so I think I can hide both of these baskets. And I've got tangle teasers, and I've got round brushes, and I've got combs with this. I've got it kind of with the brushes that I want, and another tangle tease and a brush that teases. So, and this is a wet brush too. So, you know, I've got these brushes that I've had for a long time that I just, you know, keep them clean, and I just would like to, I want to keep those. So, got this. I'm going to put this in the middle thing here. Can y'all see? Put that in the middle thing right there. All right. The big sexy hair water tease back comb in a bottle. I don't need it anymore. It's about empty, and it wasn't that great. It wasn't that great. I always like to keep the Elnat, and I like the bamboo spray shampoo. So I'm going to put it, I've got a top little shelf right here. I'm going to put it right there over on its side. All right, now I'm going to put, I'm trying to see how to organize. Okay, to get tangles out, I've got tangle tease and the wet brush. I'm going to put them in this basket, and then my styling brushes I'm going to put in my regular to brush my hair with. I'm going to put in this basket. All right, that sounds good. Okay, now, and I think I've got room on top of this for my blow dryer, so I can get the tangles out of my hair and blow dry my hair. So I can put that in the bottom little shelf right there. Okay, so here's another. I like to use this a lot too. This does the same thing as the back comb in the bottle does, so I like to keep it. This is the diffuser. Okay, so I've got detangling, blow drying there, hair brushing here. But you know what? Look, I've got room here on the bottom, and then in the middle I've got what I can take downstairs if I want to do my hair downstairs. This in there too, in that little thing. Got another hairspray thing. Okay. All right. I have got to find that other curling iron. So I've got more curling irons that I can put down there too whenever I start to organize this. So I've got more drawers over here too. I won't bore you with those today. I'll come back another time and do that one. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this wasn't too long. I will really try to cut it down, really try to speed it up. But thank you so much for watching. I'm off to Knoxville, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.